Tesla rolls out FSD version 12.3.5. Tesla is now rolling out the latest point version of the full self-driving FSD supervised software, as included with an update spotted this week. FSD Supervised v12.3.5 has been rolling out to Tesla owners as part of Software Update 2024.3.20. And after the company just began deploying v12.3.4 earlier this month, Tesla has been gradually rolling out new versions of its V12 software over the past few months. After the company officially dropped the term beta for supervised at the end of last month, Tesla's FSD V12 has long been considered to be a key piece of the autonomy puzzle, as it shifts to using end-to-end neural network control for vehicle functions that were previously governed by code. The first V12 updates were spotted going out to employees in November, and Elon Musk said in December that the software was undergoing some additional testing before a wider release. As Tesla has highlighted in its release notes for the new V12 versions, the updated software eliminates over 300,000 lines of human-written code that previously controlled functions such as steering, acceleration, and braking. Instead, it transitions to rely completely on its neural network, which is trained by millions of frames of video from real-world driving scenarios. Tesla has also been conducting what appears to be an all-out offensive on the FSD supervised platform in recent weeks, with the company having cut the software's price in half on subscription purchases and reducing pricing on one-time vehicle add-on purchases this month. Musk also announced earlier this month that Tesla would be unveiling its robotaxi platform in August, along with the FSD fleet, passing 1 billion cumulative miles driven. Late last month, Tesla also began offering 1-month free trials for the software on customer-owned vehicles and mandatory test drives for new buyers. Tesla is set to hold its Q1 earnings call on Tuesday, and investors have already asked when the company realistically expects to launch a revenue-generating network for the platform. Tesla's Elon Musk reiterates FSD licensing offer for other automakers. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.